Chapter 3: Creating Engaging Content, Posts, Threads, and Beyond. On X, content is your primary tool for capturing attention, sparking conversations, and achieving business goals. X rewards creativity, brevity, and real-time relevance. This chapter explores how to craft engaging posts, threads, and multimedia content that resonates with your audience, fosters community, and amplifies your brand message. The pillars of engaging content. Effective content on X rests on 3 principles. Value: provide insights, entertainment, or inspiration that benefits your audience. Relevance: align with trending topics and audience interests. Consistency: maintain regular posting to stay visible and reinforce your brand identity. Crafting impactful posts. To make every post count. Start strong. Use a compelling hook to grab attention. Be concise. Communicate your message clearly within X's character limits. Incorporate visuals, add images, GIFs, or videos to enhance engagement. Include CTAs, encourage actions like learn more or reply. Using threads for storytelling. Threads are ideal for sharing detailed insights or stories. To create a strong thread. Start with a hook. The first tweak should draw readers in. Maintain flow. Use numbering or emojis to guide readers. Conclude with a CTA. Wrap up with a key takeaway or actionable advice. Leveraging multimedia. Multimedia content outperforms text-only posts. Options include videos, showcase tutorials, demos, or highlights. Images, use infographics or branded visuals. Polls, engage your audience and gather feedback interactively. Timing and engagement. Posting at the right times maximizes visibility. Follow these guidelines. Optimal timing. Analyze when your audience is most active. Regular schedule. Maintain consistency to keep followers engaged. Interact. Respond to comments and engage with others' content. Staying relevant. Capitalize on trends by tracking topics. Join trending conversations that align with your brand. Using hashtags. Enhance discoverability with relevant tags. Being timely. Engage with events or discussions promptly. Avoiding common mistakes. Avoid pitfalls like overposting. Don't overwhelm your audience. Ignoring feedback. Engage with comments and criticism to build trust. Overselling. Balance promotional content with valuable and engaging posts. Measuring and adapting. Track metrics like engagement rates, click-throughs, and audience growth to assess success. Use insights to refine your strategy, try new formats, and stay agile. Engaging content on X blends creativity, relevance, and strategy. By providing value, using multimedia, and staying attuned to trends, you can create posts that captivate your audience and amplify your brand presence.